Well, my good people, thank you very much. Uh, Before I say anything, I want to pay my respect to my dear sister and friend Maya, for leadership in the organization. And when you hear that a leader turn power over successfully, this is a person that needs a standing ovation. Will we please stand and give her honor and the work that she has done? Stop the division, brought the unity, and said this is the time I leave you. Madam President, the name shall be in history. And the example that you set, hope others can carry the same example. Set and walk away, because this organization does not belong to you. Take it or leave it. There are other talented people that are here. Play your part and leave. Madam President, may God bless you and thank you for your leadership. Well, Akimi, you see, I got a lot of things here, so I may be talking that long, but I'm not sure if I stand between the food and the talking, I think someone will kick me out. So I'll do the best I can to summarize what I brought. Good evening, distinguished leaders, members of the United Sapo Association, honored guests, friends, fellow community leaders, our newly elected officer, the board. It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you today in the great city of Philadelphia as we gather for this year's convention under the powerful theme, unity and respect among our members and community as a whole. First, allow me to extend my heartiest congratulations to the leadership of the United Sapo Association for organizing this important event and creating a platform where we can connect, reflect, and renew our commitment to one another. Unity and respect are not just beautiful words, they are the very foundation of a strong community. They are the bridges that connect our past, present, and future. Without unity, we are divided. Without respect, we lose the dignity and trust that hold us together. In the diaspora, we face unique challenges, living far from our home while we navigate new opportunities and responsibilities. But our diversity of experience should not divide us. Instead, it should strengthen us. It is important that we have respect for each other's voices, respect for our tradition, respect for our youth, respect for our elders who paved the way. When we will honor, and if we honor each other, we shall empower each other. As we all gather here today, let us commit here now to bring a community where no member feel unseen or unheard. A community where we support each other of celebration in terms of our challenges. Because the Sapo community is not only a community, it's not just one. When we are stronger in unity, we are better each day. As chairman of ICO, the All-Liberian Conference on Dual Citizenship, and a member of the diaspora community, I ask you all to join the vision of all those in the diaspora. Before I leave, I encourage you to take part in the upcoming Diaspora Conference, which will be held in Washington, D.C., September 26th to the 28th. Now, my good people, I think I have said what the script has told me. Normally, because of my leadership when I'm coming up, my friends and people that try to write the speech and guide me through. But I decided that I'm done with the speech and let us talk. We in the diaspora, we are not here by mistake. We are here to help our people, and we should all take the challenge. It is about time that we change our mindset. Let us go home and have this kind of conference back home. Let us take a medical team to go in our towns and villages and deal with our people, help our people. Let the people feel us. Let the people know us. We have doctors, we have nurses, we have social workers within our organization. We can plan a 5-year project and return home and be part of the process. The promised land is ahead of us. If we have to be successful, we must identify with our people. May God bless this organization. The hands that brought us here, let us take us home. Let us stand together. Let us hold together. And if you can make a difference in a village, in Sando, in the village where you come from, then of course, you have been successful. The person that introduced me did mention about dual citizenship. Now to cut the time off, when we started the process of dual citizenship, people thought we were joking. They said that we were not Liberians. If our mother have a child, that child is not a Liberian citizen. But after this law, I can report to you that once a Liberian, always a Liberian. Any child that is born to a Liberian mother, that child is a citizen of Liberia. No more, no time that anybody will say because we came to this country during the war, and if they had the opportunity, they were not going to come. They cannot deny us our citizenship. We are Liberians today, we are Liberians tomorrow, and no matter what they say, we are Liberian. Once a Liberian, always a Liberian. May I ask the new leadership to please come? Let me install them.
Above all else, uniting this union is one of my primary objectives, and I will leave no stone unturned to do so.
The girl that introduced me did a very good job. Do you know that with all the education that I get, I don't read my own Bible. I gave people my resume and they just take things up. I just gave them my resume and just tell them go out there and fish out and make something out of it. So I want to say thank you for reading. I hope I can get your copy so anybody asks me for my Bible, I can just use it as of today's day. Thank you very much. Now, my good people, these are your leaders. Leader, these are the people. Let me say this. And I will ask my father, Registrar, to please stand with me, so if I made a mistake, he can discipline me. You see these people? You decided to be their leader. You campaigned to be their leader. Because there is something that you think you can do for them. They are part of your family. They are not excluded. You have to identify with them. You have to work with them because you are the what? The leader. People, these are your leaders. They can only be successful if you help them. That's the only way they can be successful. We all are doing 1-2-1-2. If in an event they can't come to your burial, to your child graduation, to go to the hospital to your mom, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal. Work with them. Because this organization, the sample organization, is bigger than me, Paul, and everybody. Let us focus on the overall goal. Here, no matter what happens, these are the people. You will answer the call 12 o'clock in the morning. You ask for it, you got to deliver. Right? Yes. All right. The president is William Mane. Minister Olivia Swa. Reverend Nathaniel Gate. Madame Marita Kofa. Well, yeah. The leadership is not even 1 year. The guy Kofa, but I see Kofa Dory and see me. All right, so it went out. I know this is very Richard Carr, K, and this Monto City. All right, will you please respectfully? City. What city?
Yeah, you're supposed to be sitting up here. Why are you back there?
Please put your wagon up. Everybody, when it comes to the position, I,
Representative G. Captain Senior,
The president
of USAA. William T. Mullen, the president of USAA.
Reverend Nathaniel G. Captain Senior, Secretary General.
Reverend Rachel K., Financial Secretary. Doris Erika Kofa, Treasurer.
do solemnly swear to uphold the Constitution of the Sacred Association of the United States of America. So help me God. Ladies and gentlemen, family. anthem, the invoking of the national anthem is to bring the Liberian spirit at home. It's that we have a newborn in Liberia. It's to remind us that we are Liberians. And once a Liberian, always Liberian.
I'm Joe Judge.
Yes. His Excellency William Eminent has been inducted, and so is the Vice President, Minister Olivia Sua.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
Please stay up. Quickly, stay up. We want to call Honorable Augustus Rai, the chairman of the Electoral Commission, to come out to induct the board of directors, and we'll move on from there. But stay up to officials that we just inducted. Please stay up. Mr. Man and your team, please stay up. Remain up. And we want to call Mr. Rai. Thank you.
We will be very brief. Let me have your attention, please. Before we start with everything, I just want to say something to the outgoing president and the board members. You know, there came a time when the confusion started I gave up. I am one of the founding members. The day the association started, we were the ones policy and ready to contest that. But when the confusion started, I gave up. I remember when they were about to get together, they asked me to serve on the election commission. And before the president, Clark, before training began, she would call me and talk to me, even before the election, almost a year, and she keep calling me. And now finally, I got my group. And then she made me the chairman of the National Election Commission. And so I want to say thank you, Madam President, for filing. Bishop Sabu, my own friend, thank you very much for encouraging. I think we need something like this. So what we are going to do here is for the board members who are, thank you. The board members who are newly elected will swear their name and then will certificate both board members and the administration. So we will call on the Maya Tori, the newly elected board member. We want you to come over here, please. Amelia Tijali. The business I now reach to you. I think I want you. That's the definition of that is a great name. Then we have Madam Shirley Smith. As I call your name, I want you to please put your hands up and for your positions. I'll read it to you first. I, Augustus Wright, chairman of the Independent National Election Commission of the United Southwest Association in the Americas and the Republic of Liberia, do hereby certify that at the general election during the National Convention held in the city of Philadelphia on the 16th day of August. Do you call your name? You were elected as a member of the board of directors of the United Southwest Association in the Americas and the Republic of Liberia, as confirmed by the Independent National Election Commission of the USA. So, put your hands up. And
Maya Cooley.
do hereby solemnly swear
Do hereby solemnly swear
that I will carry out
carry out
the duty of the board of the United Southwest Association.
the duty of the board of the United Southwest Association.
I will protect
I will protect
and defend the Constitution.
and defend the
So
Constitution.
help me God.
So help me God.
In witness hereof, I have hereunto set my hand and affix the seal of the USAA done in the city of Philadelphia this 16th day of August 2025. You are hereby. You are hereby.
Yeah. Give it to me.
This here is your certificate of election. Thank you very much for the work job well done.
Thank you.
And we hope you will do better and better as time goes on. Honorable Shirley Smith. very much. This is the best, and we hope you will do your best to show the youth as our role model. Emmanuel?
Maybe I look this way.
Jerry? Thank you very much. Honor you. Now, we also certificate our administration. Yes. You've been sworn in already. Yes. Office of the President.
You hold it back. Yeah, just give it to him.
Okay,
I'll take the picture. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, the next person is our VP. I don't know whether this is a magic. The husband serves as vice president, and she's now serving as vice president. So it's something that big. Like she knows already what to do. She has a best coach. Her husband is one. Thank you very much. Honorable Gate and Antonio G. Gate. Here is your certificate of election. Thank you very much. Serve as a board member and you are now going to serve as a Secretary General for the organization.
A secret?
You gotta hold that.
Thank you very much. We are honoring you for your time and mission. Well.
And now we'll finish.
You serve on our formal election commission and you are going to serve as the we have a certificate for the
Yeah, but give something.
so we have a certificate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Job well done.
Thank you.
I mean, you know, why it's so unique.
Thank you.
So, we'll take a picture. I'll take a picture with you guys. Let me stand in the middle. Okay, thank you. And also, I want to say thank you. I want to present my. Yeah, you can take it. Mr. Yingwen, Richard Coley, and Maggie Kayet. Yeah, please come up with, let people know that we have done it. It was a challenge yesterday. Okay, I just want to show you these officials who have helped us. It was a challenge here yesterday. And our words also goes to Senate 7 and also the Financial Secretary, Madam Black. Thank you very much for your job well done for working with us. It would have been something yesterday and we managed to get everything under control. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
He'll do the refreshment.
Okay? I see our ushers are getting ready here, so we're going to do dinner now and listen to some music and we'll continue the program. Yeah. So she will have to do dinner first. Yeah. So we're doing a dinner, then the woman make the camera. So we're going to DJ.
So the ushers are saying after they have served the tap, we're going to be calling tables. So you get online, get served, and get back to your table. That's the procedure. So they will serve the people up here, and then once they are done with them, we'll call your table, you line up. And then we'll continue with the program. Ray, for the executive, Emmanuel.
Continue with that.
All right, so now that we have gotten the authority from the executive, we are going ahead with the program. So the next thing, then the spokesperson for the elders and the ancestors. I am in a unique position at this time to call our mother Mabel City. Mabel City. Our mother, please come up. Come up. Yeah, special presentation for the elders. Yeah.
Yeah, easy. Yeah,
Good evening to all.
Yeah.